2 a.m. staring at my phone, trying to act like I'm good alone, but your name's still hiding in my mind, like you never left my side. Got your voice stuck in my head, every word you never said. Now I'm lost inside the space where your love used to stay. I try to breathe but I can't escape every memory, every trace. Girl, you're running through my veins and it's driving me insane. Every time I